I'm Lobsang Shi, Chief Election Commissioner of Central Tibetan Administration, and Madam Sri Indullah, my Additional Commissioner, Nang Salah, Additional Commissioner. Today is actually final election. We have already had a preliminary on 1st of February. This is important in the sense that for the last 70 years, Tibetans have been reasserting their aspiration for free land, for freedom. So CTA symbolizes Tibetan freedom struggle. CTA symbolizes the aspiration of the 7 million Tibetans back home. So China has forcefully, brutally and illegally occupied Tibet. But Tibetans have been continuously asserting and claiming and proving that they are the legitimate government, that Tibetan exile government, that is Central Tibetan Administration, is the legitimate government of Tibet and the Tibetan people. So this is important in the sense that it's a reassertion despite China's propaganda, despite China's misinformation and disinformation about this legitimacy and credibility of this government and the people. It is to prove to China again and again that we have not given up, that we are going to struggle for our freedom and for our land. So it's very important. China has recently talked about the less participation according in comparison to the registered voter, but it's a matter of laughter in the sense that they doesn't have the legitimacy of even or the mandate and the power to conduct election even within among the member of their National Congress and the political consultative committee. We Tibetans, despite being in free land spread across 27 countries, we have been successfully undertaking this democratic process for the last 70 years, and the democratic tenets and the spirit is imbibed in every one of our Tibetans, so much so that they have been participating. So we hope this time, because of being final election, more Tibetans will turn up. Last time, it's because one thing is because it's at winter time. Most of the Tibetans in highlands, they try to come down to cities and plains. Some of them would go to pilgrimage in Bodh Gaya and Varanasi, and many almost 50-60% of the Tibetans leave their settlements to do winter sweater business. So because of that movement, and the colleges also, young students were on vacations, they were on the traveling. Well, because of that, that could be one of the reasons for less voter turnout, and hoping that this time we will have major voter turnout and more Tibetans will participate.